This is the Agartala station, Agartala train station. We will be boarding the train here to Kolkata. We will spend 1 night and 2 days in the train. We will reach the following day. So let's go. At the station in the train, waiting for the train to move. The train will move at 8 a.m. So we are here. This is the station, Agartala station. We are here. Hey, or Rose Mondi Rapai. Omo Tripura of tomorrow, or area Wata Tripura, no Terra of tomorrow. Yes, our chemical tunnel Malakata. We are approaching Atram Road tunnel now. Chalo. My journey to I'm going to get some aluminum plate. Boss! কেমন আছো যে?
ভালো আছি, কই যাবি?
জামু সেলডা।
লগে
আমি লই আইছি লগে আমার দাদা আছে কাজিন।
ওই বদরপুর তো লইলাই
বস বস।
সেলফি তুলে
হ্যাঁ বন্ধু আইবা। না আমি অ্যাকচুয়ালি ভিডিও করতেছি হ্যাঁ। ওই meeting my friends after more than a year. They are both of them are train drivers, not actually, just kidding. Local pilots. Okay, so they are my classmates. Now somewhere at Karimganj of Assam. So exactly don't know the place. This is the Haflong station, which got flooded due to landslide recently in the month of May or June, something like that. The whole platform was flooded, full of mud, covered with, and after walking for like 24/7, the tracks are clear and the trains are running. It has been a huge landslide here, very much scary at that time. And this is the beauty of Haflong. You see that? Are you guys seeing? Just see the mountains covered with clouds. Such a beautiful, really. After seeing this, I couldn't stop myself from shooting it. So I really loved it, and I have a future plan to visit this area in future. I really love this place. See the beauty of the nature. This is the in front of the Guwahati railway station. This is the station, Guwahati station. The decorum of these stations looks very nice, wonderful. All the details of Assam is given here. There we can see Sutriya dance, and here is the mask of Assam. Acha, ticket counter. This side is the counter. And we have the Assam War Heroes here.
এটা কাউন্টার কারেন্ট রিজার্ভেশন কাউন্টার
আচ্ছা মানে অন দ্য স্পট আচ্ছা
এটা এখানে আছে এরপর আছে তোর এনজিপি বদলপুরও নাই লামডিংও নাই আগরতলা কারেন্ট রিজার্ভেশন
কারেন্ট না
দেখা না যে ট্রেন ডিপার্চার
যদি আজকের ট্রেন
মোবাইলে কাটতে মোবাইল দেখে কি থাকে মানে মোবাইল ট্রেন ডিপার্ট হয়ে গেছে এখন তুমি টিকিট কাটতে পারতা না এখানে কাটতে
how huge it is, how huge. It's very huge. ये रिवर है ना? अच्छा है।
कितना खर्च किया होगा ब्रिज के लिए?
क्या
हाँ?
क्या बोला
वो ब्रिज के लिए कितना पैसा खर्च किया होगा?
हाँ 35 hours journey खाइमाने उलो जों सफायका सेल्डा स्टेशनाव दे दाबो थांनायसै सुजाखां सेल्डा स्टेशन Maaf, borok bang mana? Ito darab yang ka.
Ulu mày cũng chịu khổ bắt đấy.
Hả?
Ulu mày chẳng cao mày cũng chịu khổ. Bắt bài.
Ubar dah kain jara. Hah? Napet taxi bay thalang ai. Dipet. Apa tak kau nyo? Ubar ang kita hasil dawan na hai. Na? Ubar deh. Nai nya. Aing nongkor thang nai lesin ta. Ka tabuk main gate ni si nongkor senai. Main gate ni nongkor deh. Taxi nai kana. Sin Tripura bono thanan bagai. This is the station.
आगे जिला बिग बाजार।
Oh, अच्छा. हाँ. थाना बागै नासिंलाय sok pai kha sini Tripura Bhavan sini tongthayo iko obono wngkha Salt Lake ni Tripura Bhavan sini Tripura ni borok je kolkata o phainai oro tongui mano khub rang kom bai no tongui mano chama nangma tei thumani bagai belai rang kom jaga obo kaini building tongo bwskango kaisa kotor building 4 tala tei uklogo kaisa 4 tala building tongo tabuk iko 4 tala building omo hingke omo hingke unokoti hinjago hingke tabuk debrani building no hingke gumoti hinjakna ang pokha hingke oro bwskango hapke no reception tongo oro unokoti hini sijak tabuk oro reception oro nini registration hoite nini jotono chung oro kisu ma khlaio omo hingke reception of building ni reception mane pura ongko ni no reception abo this is the reception of Tripura Bhavan Salt Lake form mangka kaisa o form ta fula khai joma rai maralainai let's do it iko oro building ni kani kazar kaisa oma ke chikon sa naitoke sajokjak omo building ni kani kazaro engkai taun baga asa nungsina narok naitong ni ani videos no malai phainai bwskangni video o tata bye bye jotono kaham korang tong baidi।